Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme e-commerce site build. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. We're building an online e-commerce store using the fantastic Divi theme from Elegant Themes. If you don't have it, you can get it from my affiliate link below here. If you don't want to use my affiliate link, you can just go to elegantthemes.com and get it from there. Divi is a premium theme, you have to pay for it, but it is just absolutely awesome. The features are fantastic. I've been using it for years now on hundreds of builds for various different types of site, and it just keeps getting better and better. So if you're going to be building in WordPress, I recommend you take a good look at this theme. Okay, so this is where we left off last time. What we did is we customized our nav links up here and added some custom CSS also for our buttons. So let's add a new section and let's just add a button to test out our theory with our CSS there. So what I've done, I use Photoshop. I know everybody can't afford Photoshop, and I've just created an image here with a bit of blue on one side and a bit of white on the other side, and an image here which I'm going to use for a background picture. I know there's something called GIMP, which is a free version like Photoshop. I've never used it, but everybody tells me you can do the same thing with GIMP. So if you don't have Photoshop, go ahead and have go get a graphics program like GIMP or something. And I've just made this image. It's about 1920 wide by about 600 deep, I think. I can find out by just trying to save it. I've already saved it. Yeah, it's 1920 by 800, and I'm just saving it as a JPEG with a fairly small file size that will keep things easy to load for the website. I've already actually saved that, so I'm going to cancel out. And I'm going to add a new section. I'm going to enable my visual builder. And now my visual builder is loaded. I'm going to add a new section, regular section. I'm going to make it, let's make it 1/3 and 2/3. And in this particular side, I'm going to have our shop module with just a couple of items. So I'm going to scroll down, find that shop module that we've been using. Recent products, that's great for people that have been viewing it already, and if they want to view recent products. I'm just going to have sale products just for argument's sake. And I'm only going to have 2 of them, and I'm going to have also 2 columns. It's done that by default by the looks of things anyway. That's fine. And what I want to do is I want to put a background image behind here. So let's just save this. I'll put that column in there. I want to go up to this one, hit the little cog, go to the background, go over to image. I'm going to add a background image. I've got some saved in a folder over here. And that one I just showed you with Photoshop, I'm just going to drag it over and put it in. Now again, you can put some alt text in with some keywords or something descriptive about your image. I'm not going to, purely for expediency. Alright, so let's drop that in. Just going to save that. I'm going to have a bit of text over on this side. Now I think I'll use perhaps a call to action, so we've got a button. And for my title, I guess I'll put hot deals. Click here. I don't usually like to use click here. Let's put let's go. I'm not going to have any media in there. Text, I'm just going to add some of this dummy lorem ipsum filler text again. And I don't want too much, sentence or so. Fine, link. For the moment, I'm just going to put a hashtag in there. Just take it to the top of the page. When I've done this, I'll take it to a special sales page or a deals page. Wants to open in the same window. I don't actually want a background color. And as you can see, it's already added the button and it's given it our default green with the blue. Now on this one, I'm going to let it have that little arrow to let's go. That's fine. I think I might add a exclamation mark just after that let's go. I think it's put that text in, but I don't think we can see it because it's probably white. Yeah, it looks like it's in there. Yeah, there's our other text. So let's make that text the correct color with our design. Okay, here's our title text. I'm going to use a different font this time. I'm going to use something more like this one, which is Volcorn, I believe. I'm going to make it light. And there it is right there. Now we can't see it because I haven't got a color. I want to make it italic. Let's add our color. There, we can see it now, and I want it a lot bigger than that. So we're 26, try 34. $42. That looks about right. And I think I'm going to align it right. And now we want our regular text. Well, I can try a bit of shadow on that. That's too much. Not sure. That's okay. That's too much. We'll leave that for the time being. And here's our body text. Font can stay the same. I think size wise I want about 16, but again we're going to want that same color, the 10 CACA. There we go. And again I'm going to align it to the right hand side. Let's make it 16, just slightly bigger there. And that's aligned our button over to the right as well, which is pretty cool. So that's good. I'm happy with that. Let's just save that. I want to edit these. I want to give them that same box shadows we've got on these. And also, I think our price is a bit too big on these. But let's have a look what we can do with the text and title. I'm also going to change those sale price tags there. I might do that with some custom CSS purely to so that we don't have to do it every time. Here's our title text. Regular's fine. Give it that blue. I might lose it. Might get lost in that colour there. Let's try it. Let's centralize it. Make it a lot bigger. 24. 24. The line height's okay. And shadows making it stand out a bit more. Which one I like better? I think that one makes it stand out most, so I'll use that one. Now our prices, I'm gonna with our price text, I'm probably going to use some custom CSS to make this a lot more interesting looking, but we'll do that in another one. Let's get this done for the time being. Price text color, we'll keep that blue color again. And again, make it a bit bigger. Don't want it too big for what I've got in mind. That's okay. And again, we want it to be centered. And let's give this a box shadow like we had last. That one, wasn't it? Nope. Oh, that's giving our whole element one, which is not what we want. And we were using a overlay color, which was that 10CACA. But we had quite a bit of opacity. Something like here's our image. And this is what we put the box shadow on before. Okay, well that seems to work, that's fine. We'll leave that as it is. Let's just save that. Let's just, I want to go back in here. I want to align that background picture top left. I think it's in the middle at the minute. Center. Top left. There we go. So there's a little gap between the top there. That's better. Okay, let's just save this. I'm going to hit exit. It'll prompt us to save, and I'll save and exit. All right. So there we have it at the moment. That's kind of flowing okay. And these are little sales boxes. I want those. If you remember last time we used this cooler, Adobe cooler. It's a free color wheel from adobe.com. I'm going to make those that hot pink color right there. Now you can do this within the modules itself, but I think I'm going to try doing it with custom CSS so I don't have to keep changing it every now and again. There it is right there, okay. So WooCommerce span on sale. There we go. Let's change those to those purple colours to see if it's worked on the ones below. One below, I think we've used a custom one in their actual module for those. So I'll have to change those within the module, seeing as we've actually done it. So let's do this. I'm going to take this, I'm going to delete most of this, just down to that colour there. And go into our custom CSS with Divi, theme options, general tab, down the bottom, custom CSS. And just add a new title of on sale. And paste in what we copied there, and we're going to get rid of most of it. Okay. Apart from the color. There's the color right down the bottom. Or the background color, I should say. And it's very good because it's told us that we're missing a curly tag or a brace, which I knew anyway, but just in case, it's got that little flag up there. So that's really handy, Divi. Well done yet again. So I'll just put the closing curly bracket in there to correct that error. And let's give this a bit of box shadow as well, just for a nice bit of effect. Let's give it 5 pixels, 5 pixels, 25 pixels, and a dark grey, and a semicolon. Hopefully that should work alright, we'll see. Save our changes. Back to here. We'll refresh to get that inspector out of the way. They should stay the same because of that, and they should also have a little drop shadow appear just under them. So let's try that. Okay, they did stay the same, but we didn't get any shadow. Wonder why that was. Let's tell it that that is important. Let's save that. There we go. We've got our drop shadow there now. Just gives it a little more depth and makes it kind of interesting to look at. And I've noticed we've lost our text up here. Well, we haven't actually lost it. It's still there. It's just overwritten with the color. So let's just go and change our text color in there that's in our customizer. Let's back to the dashboard, to our theme customizer. When it loads, we want to go to the header and navigation, to the secondary menu right there. And here's our text color. Let's change that to white. Publish that. Now when we go back, those styles should be universal again, so we should get our text back. There we go. That's more like it. Okay, well that will do for that video. We've just added a quick module there and done some custom CSS for our on sale tags and our button here. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please like and share the video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in web design, please take one of our courses below. We've got some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. There's also some great free courses down there, so have a look. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.